As an experienced attorney who has been practicing law for over 22 years now, one of the most common questions I get from non-lawyers is, how did you know you wanted to go to law school and become a lawyer? And then they usually follow up that question with another question. Do you think I should go to law school? Well, obviously, I cannot tell you whether or not you should go to law school, but I can share with you the qualities that I and many of the lawyers that I know possess. Take a look. Do any of these things sound like you? Hi there, and welcome to All Things Lawyer, a channel where a seasoned attorney with over 22 years experience, that's me of course, discusses things that are all about, well, you guessed it, lawyers. On this channel, our videos aim to share insights and tips to help you better understand the legal profession and lawyers themselves. After all, knowledge is power. Before we get started on today's video, a quick disclaimer that none of our videos contain legal advice, nor do they create an attorney-client relationship. Our videos are for information and enjoyment only. If you aren't already subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and click on the bell so that you can be alerted when we post a new video. That way you won't miss out on any of our terrific insights and tips. Now let's get to our video of the day. Are you contemplating going to law school? It's a huge life decision. Law school is a lot of time, a lot of money, and a ton of hard work. Maybe you're a college student who's unsure about your career future. You're still asking yourself, what do I want to be when I grow up? Or maybe you've already graduated from college and you're in a career or an industry that you're not really enjoying. You want something that's more challenging, more interesting. There are many reasons why you might be considering going to law school, but should you actually do it? Well, here are 5 signs that law school may be right for you. Number 1, are you organized? Lawyers need to read, absorb, and analyze a lot of information on a daily basis. We also tend to work on multiple client files and cases in the same day, so lawyers need to be very organized. When a client calls and needs an immediate answer on their file, or the court calls and they want a status update on the spot, a lawyer needs to know where that file is and needs to be able to put their hands on it immediately. So being organized is super important. Number 2, are you a good communicator? Lawyers basically get paid to talk and to write, so we need excellent communication skills to get our points across, whether that be through our verbal communication, such as in court or during a contract negotiation, or whether through our written communication, such as in a legal brief, or a letter to opposing counsel, or an email to a client, etc. Part of being a good communicator and a good lawyer is being able to listen well. We need to listen to what our clients are telling us. We need to listen to what opposing counsel is arguing. We need to listen to what the judge is requiring, and so on and so on. If a lawyer is a good listener, we can then process the information and apply it to what we must then write about and ultimately speak or argue about. So good communication skills are very helpful in lawyering. Number 3, are you confident? As lawyers, we always find ourselves up against opposition, whether it be opposing counsel or a tough judge who never seems to rule in our favor, or an upset client demanding an answer to their question. Lawyers are surrounded by pressure on a daily basis. So we need to be confident in the position we're taking in an argument, confident in our sources and our resources, and probably most importantly, confident in our ability to handle the situation. Number 4, do you like to read? The number 1 thing that lawyers do is read. Whether it's a contract or a brief or case law or a statute or client emails or correspondence with opposing counsel or a court's rules or a judge's decision, and so on and so on. We are constantly reading. So if you do not like to read, maybe you want to think hard about whether or not you want to join a profession where you will be constantly reading. Number 5, do you have a strong work ethic? The final sign that life as a lawyer might be a good fit for you is if you have a strong work ethic. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to get through law school, and that's just the beginning. As lawyers, we work long, hard hours, sometimes on weekends and holidays too. There have been many a vacation where I've brought my computer and some files with me so I could get work done while we were away. This doesn't really make my family too happy, but it is the reality of my career. In this profession, a lawyer's work ethic, which also includes our integrity, is what determines our reputation in the industry. And reputation is everything. It's how we not only attract new clients, but how we retain our existing clients. And obviously, clients are the lifeblood of a lawyer's practice. This is the end of our video for now. If you want to learn more about things to consider when deciding if law school and being a lawyer is for you, check out our video on the 5 myths about lawyers. Just click the link below in our description section. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And of course, please click subscribe. The more people who subscribe to our channel, the more videos we can make to give you free tips and insights on becoming a lawyer and succeeding as a lawyer. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, All Things Lawyer reminds you that knowledge is power.